Yo, what's going on guys? DJ Icon, and I want to welcome you to this edition of Tech Talk brought to you by clubkillers.com. So today, Serato announced the newest upgrade to their DJ program, Serato DJ Pro. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you guys all the new features.
Club Killers Tech Talk, hosted by Icon.
Serato DJ is now Serato DJ Pro. It includes features such as a practice mode, 64-bit support for larger libraries, performance pad view, and optimized for high-resolution screens, including 4K and UHD displays. One of the main new features of DJ Serato Pro is practice mode. Practice mode allows you to try out your DJ mixes without the need for Serato hardware being connected. If you're a DJ like me and you travel a lot, this could be an invaluable tool for helping put your sets together while on the road. One feature in practice mode that I found very useful was beat jump. Beat jump allows me to skip through a song by a predetermined set of time, allowing me to set my cue points much quicker. And for all you DJs out there that like to do live remixes, Serato DJ Pro now features Flip. Flip allows you to record live cue point drumming for later playback. Another new feature in Serato DJ Pro is Performance Pad Layout. This mimics the pad layout of hardware controllers such as the DDJ SB1.
Alright guys, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me on this edition of Tech Talk brought to you by clubkillers.com. Check out our episode next week featuring DJ DeVille. Follow me on social media at DJ Icon or at Club Killers. If you like this video, hit like. If you loved it, hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week.